Hello everyone, Von Marie here, and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So I'm super excited that you are here today and joining us for the Easter release video hop. This is a hashtag Easter fun release, and there will be a playlist and I will explain about the hop, but this is what I'm using: Easter wishes and a bushel of bunnies craft dies. Isn't it cute? Look at all those pieces. And I'm going to be cutting out this bunny border out of some faux teal glitter paper pad. And I love all these colors, and I tend to hoard papers, so I'm like, what can I use? I didn't have a scrap, so I am going to be using this pretty teal glitter, faux glitter paper. So here it is, so cute, I love it. So you can easily leave as is, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to mine. I am going to be using some of those bunnies up above, and I'm going to cut them out with pink cardstock, and then I'm going to use this die here, and I'm going to use some bright pink cardstock. So there it is, and so I love pink and teal together, and white, and I just love different pinks with it as well. So that is my theme for this card, and so I love that that die there for the bunny tails. You get 3 of them. So here is the Easter wishes word craft die, and I'm going to cut that out in a different faux glitter teal paper, and then I cut it out 3 times and in white cardstock, so, and just scraps, and I'm going to layer my word so it is has a little bit of dimension. So, and here are the tails. I'm going to cut them out in pink and white, but let me tell you a little bit about the hop today. So we are hopping with an excitement to introduce our latest collection of Easter-themed delights. Dive into the festivities with our brand new stamps, dies, and embellishments, especially crafted to add an extra dose of charm to your Easter projects. So it's a super cute release, and I hope you check it out. There is a playlist, so watch all the videos from the hashtag KS Creative Crew on this for this hop here down below in the details. And for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the Kat Scrappiness store, the winner will be announced on the Kat Scrappiness Crafts channel's community page. So enter the giveaway by March 7th. And to do so, you must sign up for the KS newsletter, and you must fill out the raffle form. So super fun, and so I am just going to be putting my card together. So I have my rectangle die with some more faux glitter. So lots of faux glitter here, which I love. So it leaves my desk mess free. And I'm using liquid glue. And I love to use liquid glue mostly for my projects. It gives me a little wiggle room in case I mess up. So that's why I like it. And of course I need those fine tip nozzles because I get glue all over the place sometimes if I don't have them. And it's just a mess. So I don't want that. So I love this craft die set. It makes it so easy to make some Easter cards. I'm going to be making some more, and I will send those out because how cute is this die set? You get everything you need. You get the word, and you get extra bunnies, and you get the tails, and so I am just in love with this die set as well as the whole release. And so many embellishments too. I cannot even remember all the embellishments, but there is an intro video on the whole release, so you can check out all the embellishments and some craft dies and stamps. So we have a lot for this release, and so super amazing. And so yeah, I love everything, and I can't recommend it more than I am because I just love it. And so I hope you check it out, and I will have links down below. And there is also a product supply bar that you can click, and it will take you directly to the Kat Scrappiness store. And so here I am just cutting, I cut out some pink bunnies, and I'm just going in, you know, teal and then pink, teal, pink order. And then I will be adding my tails. So again, I did cut those out with pink and white cardstock, and I am going to be adding my word die here. So I love how easy it is to place everything. And then I love my tools and my pink caddy there. I love it. It holds my tools and my blending brushes. So I love having all of that on my desk available. And I'm still gluing my word die, but so I will be hopping today as well, so I hope you enjoy the hop. I will be watching all the videos, and I can't wait to see my fellow team to see what they have created. And so here are my tails. I put them in the triangle embellishment tray, the pink one here, just so I can keep track of them and not lose them. Sometimes I tend to drop them, and I didn't want to drop them for this card video today. So using my tool and just adding them, and I love the shape of their tails too. They're like they have like this fun, cute shape to them, so I love it. You can cut it out with felt too. That would look cute if you had some like fuzzy, you know, white felt as their tails. I was going to do that, and so I might have to do that because my felt is just sitting there not getting used. And then so putting my last two bunnies, and then I will be adding some embellishments. And so there is a lot of dots and tinsel, and I could have used pink tinsel, and there's two different pink tinsels I believe, but I chose to use these sherbet heart sprinkles and some teal shaker tinsel. So these are great for shaker cards as well. So if you love to make shaker cards, there is so much in the store. So I hope you grab some, treat yourself. And I just put a few on my card. You don't really need any embellishments, but I love these embellishments, so I wanted to use them somehow on my card, even though it wasn't a shaker card. So I think it looks really cute. I hope you like it, and I hope you try it. And I love die cutting, so again, it was fun. And then here are the heart sprinkles, which I love. I love all the colors, especially there's like this orange color that's really pretty. To me, it reminds me of like some neon colors. So like the orange and pink remind me of neon. So I might have to make a neon card or so. And so I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy hopping around today, and check out the Kat Scrappiness release. And here's a close-up of my card. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.